How does a design mind see the world differently? I think what we're looking for with a critical eye is what really works, what doesn't work. We're always looking for the things that are beautiful and work well in a city. As I go through cities, is looking at things that we thought would be great. We thought solved all the problems, but they don't. They've transformed over time. So the great challenge is, how do we look at this as opportunities for positive, innovative change that would make life in cities fabulous? As cities get denser, building above existing buildings is a great way to unlock tremendous density. And I think many of our cities typically have in the past just demolished heritage buildings to make way for new buildings. Land is very limited. We tend to abuse it in North America. We don't intensify. We tend to sprawl. Building over buildings gives us a tremendous new opportunity to intensify our cities. As we got deeper into the design of Richmond Centre, it became apparent that a system of structure that would minimize the structure within the atrium, create something sculptural and beautiful, but also resolve the issues and problems of building a building that starts 25 meters in the air. We need an awful lot of columns, you need a lot of structure for the building. If you took that straight down from the building above, you would have an atrium full of columns. At some point in the process, I asked the engineer, brilliant man, I said, okay, so what is it you're trying to do with these forces, these downloads? And he said, I've got to bring them together and then separate them again to get rid of the torque in the building. So I said, you want to bring it together and then apart? I said, like a jack. There we went, working towards 4 columns coming to 1, coming back to the ground. Our focus in the core to make the public realm, number one, the most important thing, that is the sidewalks, the streets, the piazzas, the squares. I also think it's important that we live, work, play, entertain, eat, all in a smaller and intensified zone within the city, and stop a lot of the isolation that occurred for the last 100, 150 years.